Hello and welcome to this edition of Industry Futures, where we explore the technology shaping the future of industrial automation. It gives me great pleasure to welcome Mick Langdale from Rockwell Automation to be with us today. And we're here to talk about a compact but powerful innovation that's redefining motor control in industrial automation panels. The new M100 Motor Starter. Mick, before we get into talking about the product and the difference between the red and the grey, so please introduce yourself and your role at Rockwell Automation, please.
Well, thanks for having me down today, Darren. My name is Mick Langdale, as you've introduced me. I'm the EMEA product manager for Rockwell Automation Industrial Control Products.
The product's here, but why was it developed, Mick?
The product was developed to address physical size in panels. We looked at point-on-wave technology. What's difficult to harness, but now obviously we have with the M100 with 40 plus patents pending. This product obviously fulfills a hole in the market that we feel that our competitors using semiconductors can't address. So it's a pretty unique product in the marketplace.
Well, the kind of temperatures and characteristics and also the current side of these.
Yeah, so point-on-wave allows us to harness the arc within the product itself when it's switching. What that allows us to do with the M100 is produce this very slim, sleek product. Offers power ratings from 0.75 amps to 23 amps, which is 90% of the market typical applications. It operates at 55 degrees C and obviously offers a 50% space saving over a conventional starter.
So historically you had contactors and overloads, 45, 50 mil wide. So this is obviously a massive saving. So what's the width of this again? It was 20?
So the 9 amp is 22.5 mil. The 23 amp is 45 mil. And obviously we've got two in front of us here. So the red indicates the safe torque off version. So in this sleek format, we have a safety contactor, standard contactor or reversing pair, and electronic overload in that form. The grey one offers again up to 9 amps, and this on here is a reversing unit. So again, this unit here replaces 2 contactors and electronic overload.
Yeah, that big advantage. And another advantage I can see is lots of different connector blocks on the top. So this has been designed with, I suppose, maintenance in mind as well, and installation. So can you expand a bit more about on some of these features?
Yeah, really, it's simplicity of connecting this product up. Obviously, we have removable connectors where we have obviously the wires. This product then can be taken out of service, put back in, and simply reconnect with the connector.
And that'd be ideal for customers that have installed this on an end user manufacturer's site and it's 2 o'clock in the morning and they have a problem. It's a plug and play solution,
Absolutely,
isn't it? Okay,
yes.
I think that's absolutely brilliant. Yeah. I can also see on the safety version, you've also got this little connector here. So what does that link into? On
the red version, there's an extra connector there for safe torque off.
Okay, and again, a valuable, important thing. Okay, for
more so nowadays, yes.
Yeah, without a doubt. So another important area I just wanted to touch on is a question linked into, I suppose, approvals and standards that the M100 is obviously, conforms to. So can you give us a bit more of an understanding on that?
Rockwell Automation being a global organisation, the M100 has all the international approvals.
Can you now explain where customers and interested parties can find out a bit more information about the product?
To find out more, visit rockwell.com. On there we have obviously the approvals, we have technical documents, user manuals, and obviously Routeco.com for the stock and pricing.
Is there any samples kicking around in the UK for people to see?
We have demo equipment and all our Routeco colleagues out on the road have samples of these products. So if you'd like to see them, please contact Routeco.
Get in touch, okay. I think it's important because we can talk about it, but sometimes there's nothing better can actually seeing it, understanding how the thing would, how the product would work in an application, and to try to show some true value rather than just talking about it. You've got to physically show the customers.
Absolutely.
So again, Mick, thanks for being with us today. It's clear that the M100 Motor Starter isn't just a new product. It's a smart, streamlined solution designed to meet the evolving needs of panel builders, OEMs, end user manufacturers and system integrators. If you'd like to learn more about the M100 and how it can support your automation projects, visit the Routeco website or get in touch with your local Routeco representatives. That's it for this edition of Industry Futures. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insights into the technologies driving the future of industrial automation. Thank you.